Lettuce for this one. Okay, put the tops back on. Let's see which one.
I want some more.
That's the top.
I want some more.
Just a minute. No, that's enough.
That's enough lettuce.
I want this.
These are both bottoms.
What's that?
That's paper. That's not lunch meat. Okay, put them on. Put them together. Put the tops on them. Put the tops on them. Okay. Put the top on this one.
Boy, make it kind of messy.
No,
No, not on that way.
no, on the other one. On this one.
Hmm.
That's okay. Okay, you're gonna help me. But don't drop it now. Let's put it in the baggie. You get all of my fingers. Okay.
We gotta get another bag, honey.
Gonna get another bag. In here. Okay, just a minute. Let me put this lettuce right in here on top of it, okay? Let me seal it.
Now.
Let me seal this one.
Now, be careful stepping off the step. Hold on to the bar.
Okay, I got you. Where do they go? Well, the tamales back.
Yeah, I was gonna eat them.
Okay, put them right there.
I got to put it right here.
And put the cheese on top of it so you can see where it's at right there, okay?
Okay.
And that's your breakfast. Go tell them what you did, Noah. I'm going to wash your hands.
I make public friends.
Ah,
I make public friends.
you made my lunch?
Yeah.
Well, thank you.